Yo guys, in this video, we will teach you how to install mirror caps for BMW X3 F25. This is our new design replacement dry carbon fiber mirror caps. We will use this print tool to remove the original mirror caps so we can replace our new mirror caps. First, insert the print tool into the gap from the top side. Loosen it by following this gap and separate them carefully. Just like this, the original mirror cap will be removed. There are 4 tabs in here we need to notice when we reinstall our dry carbon fiber mirror cap. They need to line up these 4 clips in our mirror cap. Please make sure all the things engage before we start to install it. Especially this tiny little groove needs to engage to the right place too. Let's engage these 4 clips on the bottom. After that, let's line up this little groove. Make sure all the pins line up. After that, you just need to push it gently. That's all, our installation is finished.